Today I'm going to talk about what happens when you try to please a narcissist and how they typically respond to your efforts. It seems as though they are always criticizing you. They are always saying or doing something to make you feel like less of a person. They treat you like you are worthless, like you are unimportant. They make you feel insignificant. And now they have set the stage. They have put you into this battle mode of, you know what? I'm going to prove you wrong. You will start trying to prove to them that you are worthy of the respect you deserve. You will prove to them that you are better than they think. You start doing everything in your power to win back their respect. You will start trying to become better at something just to show them you are worthy. Don't fall for it. This is just an evil ploy to keep you around, to keep you coming back to prove you are the one for them. It's like a sick psychological test. The bad news is, all you are doing is extending your efforts, and it's all really for nothing. You won't get anything positive in return from a narcissist. I'm sure you guys have all heard the definition of insanity. It's doing the same thing over and over again, expecting to achieve a different result. So think about your situation with your abuser. Is this happening to you? If it is, you have to understand you are just wasting your time. You aren't achieving the result you were hoping for. All you were doing, to be totally honest here, is making things worse. It's not going to matter how much success you achieve or how much money you have. Narcissists love to make you feel like you aren't good enough for them. So how do you respond? You try to become something you think they will like. Someone they will eventually accept. Just think of how they've been breaking you down, how they make you feel insignificant, how they push you away, how they are being mean and unfair. By showing off your new changes, it won't make them like you. It won't make them accept you. It just doesn't work this way with a narcissist. And here is why this never works. It's because they haven't been rejecting you for traits that you don't have. They aren't rejecting you because of anything you are lacking. They hate and reject you for the things you do have, the traits you already possess. They are very jealous of you. They are very envious of you. And this is why they try to isolate you from your friends, your family, your coworkers. They even try to take away certain interests you might have. They are trying to destroy all your hopes, all your dreams, anything to strip you of your identity. Think about this for a second. What kind of person would hate someone for things that they don't have? The deeper we dive into questions like this, helps paint a much clearer picture, doesn't it? Narcissists hate you for everything you do have: a better job, a better car, better friends, better looks, a better personality, or whatever the case might be. So take a deep look into yourself. Do an exercise in self-reflection. Look at everything you have achieved. All those achievements are what they really hate about you. If you step up your game even further, thinking that's going to make things better with them, they will become even more upset and angry. You are leaving them in the dust, and they can see it happening right before their eyes. In your mind, you were thinking you need to get better. You're trying to figure out how you can impress them even more. But the real truth is, they don't want that. All they want is for you to wallow in the same pain they feel. They want you to be as broken as they are. When I was in my Narc relationship years ago, I thought, if I could just convince myself to go get that better job, make more money, be more caring and loving, give up my golf game, spend more time with them, they would accept me more. I thought I was doing all the right things, but it turned out I was wrong. As a matter of fact, I had things totally backwards. I soon found out all those changes I made were actually making them more resentful of me. I scratched my head a lot back then. I just wasn't catching on to what was really going on. Being the positive person I am, I was convinced that by impressing them, it would get me back into their good graces. They would be proud of my accomplishments, but all those positive changes just made things worse. I found myself getting punished even more frequently. And finally it hit me. I finally figured it all out. It all started to make sense now. By becoming a better, stronger me, I was causing them to feel even more insignificant. So they lashed out and tried to get me off that pedestal I had built. The sad part is, I did all that work. I worked my ass off. I was building that pedestal for them. I was hoping to prop them up. Boy, what a backfire that turned out to be. The moral of this video is really simple, guys. A narcissist's only goal is to control you, to have authority over you, and to drag you down. So when you do become more successful, when you do achieve those new goals, or when you have accomplished something special, don't share it with them. Go find people that will genuinely be proud of your accomplishments and share them with those people, the kind of people that applaud those accomplishments. And be sure that when you better yourself for you. Stop trying to impress the narcissist in your life. It will only lead to your disappointment. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out some of my other videos. Oh yeah, and stay tuned. I'm going to make another video soon that will be a little bit more lighthearted. I get it, narcissism is a nasty sickness, but there are certain circumstances where us empaths can have a little bit of good-natured fun along our journey. In the meantime, watch for the signs. Be alert, be vigilant, be strong, be brave, and go live your best life today.